Beginning shortly, chemical companies around the world will need to comply with the Global Harmonized Classification and Labeling of Chemicals Initiative, commonly referred to as GHS. In addition, chemical companies who ship via marine will need to comply with the British Marine Standards BS5609, which tests pressure-sensitive labels' fastness in saltwater and their abrasion resistance. These tests do not cover resistance to compounds. For my own curiosity, I decided to test two types of labels designed for GHS applications with household chemicals. Let's see what I found. Here are two poly labels, one created with the Epson printer, one created with the CAD printer using poly. Both are poly labels, and the CAD printer was created using a resin ribbon. I'm going to spray some alcohol on both and rub and see what happens. When I spray on the Epson, a little bit there, I don't see anything with the alcohol. When I spray the alcohol on the CAD printer label, nothing also. Alcohol does a really good job. Both do a really good job. Next I'm going to spray some hydrogen peroxide on both the Epson created label on poly and the CAD printer using the resin ribbon. First I spray it on the Epson label, and you see that the O2 hydrogen peroxide makes no effect. And on the CAD printer, again, no effect with the hydrogen peroxide. So we're going to try it with chlorine bleach to see how well the labels do. First I've got the spritzer here. I'll spray it on the Epson label and then rub it a little bit, and you can see the chlorine had no effect. On the thermal transfer label made with the CAD printer, I'll spray a little bit on chlorine. No effect with the chlorine bleach. Next I'm going to try acetone nail polish remover on these labels. First on the Epson, on the poly, and on the thermal transfer using the CAD printer. So first on the Epson, I'll spray the acetone and then rub and see that it has no effect. Next I'll spray the acetone on the thermal transfer using the thermal transfer ribbon, and the acetone, it comes off immediately when I do it with the acetone. Based on these results, I suggest chemical companies test their GHS labels with their own compounds. Some labels may perform more durably than others with a specific chemical. If you need a solution to print GHS labels, contact Color Label Solutions at 855-962-7670 or info@colorlabelsolutions.com.